Tom. Dragon.
I hope it's not the Grimbles.
Ah!
Oh, Nell!
It's coming. Run for your life, Tom.
What's happened? Who did this?
A dragon.
Dragon?
Jaws of steel. And a belly of fire.
Nell, it's Tony Twist. Where have you been?
Seagull shack. A bird's a bag. The dragon remembers, Tom. Don't go. Don't go.
Get a coffee.
What are you doing?
A dragon's coming.
Don't be a dog.
Hey, Pete. This teacher saw a dragon in 1875, and teachers don't lie, so there might be a dragon down there.
Oh, sure, mate. We'll just nip on down there and nab them. While we're there, we'll catch a leprechaun and a bunyip as well.
We have to get Nell out by tomorrow. She'll die if she loses her cottage, and we'll be forced to sell if we don't have access.
But they'll never let her out while she's going on about dragons.
I'll go to a lawyer and I'll go to the council, but we can't let Mr. Gribble get that cottage. Now, you lot, stay here.
What did happen to Nell?
She hurt herself while she was looking for something.
The rubies. The rubies in Seagull Shack.
What's Seagull Shack?
Oh, it's this old shack where Nell's weird brother lives, about 10k along the coast.
Of course! That's why she was there. She was looking for the rubies so she could pay off her mortgage.
We've got to find them. We've got no choice. Come on, let's go.
I'm coming too.
No, mate, it's too far. We've got to be there and back before dark, and you'll only slow us down.
I'm coming.
Well, what about the dragon? If someone actually saw it, then they'd have to let Nell out, wouldn't they?
I can't catch a dragon on my own.
You don't have to, mate. You just got to take a photo of it when it sticks its head out of the cave.
Okay, I'll do it. Oh well, looks like he's not here. I might as well come with you.
Bronson.
Listen, mate, just set your camera up here.
And
right?
don't go into that cave.
What if I run out of food? Hey, draggy, draggy.
Oh, yuck. Oh, yuck.
Oh.
That's really fun.
Have they gone yet?
I think so.
Must have run out of ammo.
Seagull Shack.
Of course I can see it.
Duh.
I'm not really scared. I'm only a bit scared. I'm scared stiff. Dragon, where are you?
Rubies could be anywhere.
If they exist at all. Hey, Linda. Do you see what I don't see?
A ghost girl.
It's just me, Bronson. I only want a photo.
Nothing here.
It's no use. We'll never find those rubies.
We better head back then.
What about the seagulls? Nothing here. Rain?
I don't think so.
Wonder what's for sweets.
Over.
What's the time?
It's only 4 o'clock.
Sounds like they've stopped. No, you open it this time.
What if the roof collapses?
We'll suffocate. We get death worse than fate. Drowned in droppings, perished in poop, showered
I can
in...
feel a breeze. I can see daylight. Look,
She wants something.
and I know what. It's the same girl. She wants her body.
Here goes. body.
It's gone.
Oh, it was
no,
the
you should have
best.
seen it. It was going
You
all
shouldn't have
around
gone
in a
down
circle.
there. But I'm glad you did. I can sell these. That'll stop that mongrel from grabbing my cottage.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going out. I'm better. I've got to get to the bank.
And the dragon?
What about it?
There's no such thing as dragons. You are a silly old fool. You're not going anywhere.
I've never seen anything quite like it. In fact, I'm thinking of writing up something in the medical journals. It's a strange case. She seems perfectly normal.
Yeah, except for the dragon fantasy. Let her go. She wouldn't hurt a fly.
Well, we can't release her while she thinks she sees a dragon.
No, obviously not, Doctor.
If we could only get her to admit that there wasn't such a thing as dragons, then we'd know she was in touch with reality, and then we might be able to release her, but...
Very risky, Doctor. I mean, anyone who believes in dragons...
Just because she believes in dragons doesn't mean...
You don't believe in dragons, do you, Tony?
Of course not.
I found the dragon! I found the dragon! Dad, I found the dragon!
Good boy, Bronson.
It's not bad. There is a dragon. I saw it.
Don't be ridiculous. There's no such thing as dragons.
Did you get any pictures, mate?
Yeah, I got lots of terrific photos. But I dropped my camera when the dragon attacked.
More wicked lies.
But Dad, there is. I saw it. There was two of them. One was dead and one wasn't. It nearly roasted me alive. There's no such thing as dragon.
Is there, Doctor?
Well, of course there is.
Wait a minute. Hey, I've seen one of these before. It is. It's an egg.
It's only a dragon.
Don't say it. There's no such thing as dragon. It's dragon.
No such thing as dragon.
There's no such thing as dragon.
Got 10 seconds. Smile, everybody. Look at the camera. Smile.